Assalamu alaikum. It's almost Ramadan, and being that Ramadan is close and is coming at us with all force, inshallah, I hope you are ready, because I am ready as the days go by. If I know I am not going to have time to have good and balanced breakfast, my favorite thing to have is smoothies. Protein and veggie packed smoothie. So today's video is to share with you how I prep my smoothie packs. It's very easy. I know. Sometimes you want to make smoothie, you have to prep the veggies, prep the fruits. You have to think about which high protein foods to add, just so to make it balanced. Not to worry. This smoothie packs is easy to make, freezer friendly, and the whole idea is to make them so we pop them in the freezer when it's time to make our suhoor or our iftar. Very quick. We take out one pack and you put it in your blender. You blend to smooth, and that will be it. It's packed with nutrition. It's packed with a whole bunch of micronutrients and macronutrients. It's as easy and cheap, economical, accessible, and this Ramadan will not be easier if you are not meal prepping. We don't want to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen. We want to really capitalize on the limited time that you have in order for you to work as less in the kitchen meal prepping and more connecting with Ramadan itself, connecting with the actual deeds, the Quran recitation, the going to Taraweeh, the being connected with all the activities that uplift us in Ramadan. So this smoothie pack is as easy as that. And the first thing you need is your freezer bags. So I'm making 4 different types of smoothies. So that's why I have 4 freezer bags. Make sure that the bags that you have is freezer friendly. Okay, you can put it in the freezer for up to maybe some weeks or even some months. And I have a pen or a marker to write the content that I'm going to put inside. So let's go ahead, put the date and the content. So I have all of it right here. My next step is to prep the veggies and the fruits, but I have done that already. I have my veggies washed and my fruit washed as well. So what I'm gonna do is to just cut some of the fruit and the veggies that I need to cut, and I'll dump them all in the freezer bag. Some lemon. Separate them so they don't get too. Lemon, some black seeds, seeds for fiber, hemp seeds for protein, for aggregate. So I'm gonna remove the pit and put it in. So this is our first pack. Okay. And then of course in all of these packs I'm gonna add coconut water for hydration and minerals. I'm gonna add collagen powder, collagen peptides for some more protein. I'm gonna add some organic Greek yogurt for protein and healthy fat, and some peanut butter for also healthy fat and flavor. So in all of it, I might add 1, 2, 3 and this out or 1 2 3 in this out, or 1 2 3 in 1 out. So I have my celery, I have my half avocado, oats, of course this apple, some frozen pineapple. Okay. Knife to cut the celery. Put in here. Core. I'm gonna only double bit it. I'm gonna add, it's already added in. Some oats. And I'm gonna add a protein. This I should have added some hemp seed. Okay, I'm gonna add some hemp seeds. Okay. Some chia seeds. Add some chia seeds. Of course, my black seed because it's prophetic inspired for sweetener. In there, and it's ready, waiting for me to make. These are the pack here. You have it all ready, set to go in the freezer, and that's it.